guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Chloe and I make a lot of fun videos on fashion, curly hair, a lot of dance videos, a lot of DIYs. So hit that subscribe button if you're interested in these things, because I'll be posting a video every week and you don't want to miss out on that. So for today's video, I have another fun DIY chokers, and I've tried to keep them as simple as possible, so I hope you guys like it. Also, I want to put out a lot of styling videos, but because all my things are back in Bangalore, I came home like one day before the lockdown, so I don't have all my things with me, but I will be putting out a lot of fun stuff with whatever I have. So stay tuned for the videos and let's see how I make these chokers. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is take your jump rings and open them. So here I've taken these shells that are broken from the back, so you can insert the jump rings through it. So you have to open it using your pliers, just twist it around and it'll open, and that's it. You just have to slip your shell through it and then add one more shell on the side, and then you have to close that jump ring. So here I've tried to close it manually, but honestly it's much more easy to use your pliers to close it, and that's it. You've got one link. And now I made one more link with two other shells, and the same way you just gotta add more and more jump rings and connect the shells together to make your choker. So now I finished linking all the shells, and what I'm going to do to complete the rest of the choker is I'm going to be adding jump rings on both the ends. So yeah, so you have to keep measuring around your neck, like if it's the correct length or not, or whether you need more or less jump rings, and this is how it will look in the end. So now you have to use your lobster clasp, the clasp which you'll need to close the choker, and you have to add it on one side of the jump ring. So you just have to open a jump ring and slip the clasp through it, because it has a small place, a small place for it to go through. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can also use this choker as a beautiful and elegant bracelet, you guys, so like it's multi-purpose. Okay, so for this beautiful and blingy choker, first thing you've got to do is put it around your neck and measure it and see how much of the lace you'll actually need. And yeah, you can use any sort of lace, but I love all sorts of blingy stuff, so I'm using this. And you can do it the traditional way and add clamps and all that, but I didn't get that, so I'm just going to be adding jump rings at both the ends. So what I'm doing is I'm making a hole at I'm going to be making holes on both the ends of this lace, and then I'm going to be taking my jump rings, and to open them you're going to use your pliers and just twist it around and you're done. And just pass it through that particular hole which you've made, and that's pretty much it. And on one side you're going to just have the jump rings, and on the other side with the jump ring you're going to be even attaching your lobster clasp like so. And just use your pliers again to secure it, and that's pretty much it. You're done, and this looks like so beautiful. I know it's just lace, but दूर से ऐसा लगता नहीं है. It looks really pretty when you wear it. Okay, so here I'm using my denim scraps from my previous DIY. So I measured 1.5 inch and cut out these scraps. So yeah, you just have to measure it around your neck and see how much of the material you need. So I've used chalk for that. And remember one thing, you guys, don't ever throw away any sort of denim material. वो कहीं ना कहीं तो you will use it. So don't throw away denim straps. You can always use them for other DIYs. So here I'm using my E6000 glue to glue these pearls to my choker. So I've used two different sizes of pearls. So yeah, you can go ahead and stick all sorts of stuff. Like I had pearls, so I'm doing that. And if you guys want to stitch the pearls, you can do that, but I'm a little lazy, so I have used my E6000 glue, which is really trustworthy, you guys. So after that, you just have to take your needle and make holes on both ends of the choker like so. open your jump rings using your pliers and make them, pass through the gap which you've made. And once you do that on both the sides, the final thing is to take your lobster clasps, and after that you just have to attach it to one of your jump rings, and then you're done with this beautiful choker. And here it is, it's done, and I think it looks really nice and looks really cute. So this is the last choker. So in this one I've kept it super plain, and I've just kept one shell in the middle of the choker. So all you have to do is make a hole with your needle in the middle of the choker, and you're gonna be taking your jump ring and passing it through there, and make sure that your shell also passes through that jump ring, and then you just go ahead and close it with your pliers, and just use the same steps as before and add your jump rings and lobster clasps at the end of the choker, and that's it, you're done. It's very simple and yet it stands out. So yeah. Hi guys, so I hope you guys liked all the different chokers I made, and if you recreate them, please send them to me on Instagram. I would love to see them. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment below your favorite choker, and I'll see you guys next week.